Did you take the pill?
Yesterday?
I think it'd be weird if we were coworkers, right? So, yeah, and I got stuff to do today. Are you gonna cry? Bless you.